Hey, if you run these shits to listen to your music on your iPhone, don't. You need to find something better. What's up, everybody? How y'all doing? Got me the AirPods. At first, I was like, I ain't buying that shit. I don't like, because in a way, I had so much like animosity towards the earbuds because they was like, she stuck in your ear and it's irritating. But now it's like, I only bought these because when I go to bed, I like to listen to ASMR, which help me sleep. So this is all going to be some nice ASMR headphones I can listen to, will help me sleep at night. So, you know, it's the real AirPods. I know there are some bogus ones that you can just tell just by the packaging. It looks the same, but the fake ones, you know how I know that these are real, because if only the real ones have this little tab right here, you can just take the cellophane off. You know what I'm saying? So the fake ones don't have that. I saw countless of YouTube videos that have that. You know, the non-tab ones. They used to. Hold on. There it is. I saw countless of YouTube videos that don't have the tab, that you can easily, rip off the cellophane. Oh, the cellophane is the plastic, people. If you didn't know. I got some stuff. Move that over here. Okay. All right. So, there you go. Every time I get an Apple device, do y'all keep the boxes? I keep the boxes. I don't know why. I don't think the box look nice. Designed by Apple in California. It used to be like designed by Apple in Cupertino, California. I don't know. Ooh, we have the iPod capsule. This is the charging capsule. That's what I call it. And then we have the FireWire, the USB 3 FireWire cable. Then we have, what is this? Oh, these are the little plastic little nubby things that you can, like, adapt to the size or whatnot. That's it. Oh, okay, let's put that back in there. Okay. Oh, man. I could really use this for my, look, I got me another one. Anyway, that's okay. Leave that out. Let's see the capsule again. Some more plastic. Oh, wow. What the hell? Got it. Okay. And ooh, so the light comes on. I'm so happy. Because usually I got, the regular earbud things, the ear pod, the wired ear pod. They do not fit in my ear. They don't. Hold on. Left one. Ooh, are these on? Oh wow. Oh wow. Okay, so I'm so happy I bought these. I'm not so happy that I had to pay too much money on them, but I don't know. It was on sale. It was on sale on Amazon. I think it was. I put the thing on the bottom so you can see on the bottom of the screen. But anyway, look at the charging capsule that these things sits in. You know what I'm saying? I was going about the Joy-Cons though, but let's keep it in the Apple ecosystem, shall we? Keep it. And what made me buy these, right? And I just explain myself. I wanted to buy some sort of small AirPods, whatever, so I can just sit it in my ear, and so I can listen to ASMR, because ASMR helped me sleep at night, because I don't know, something about sounds. Yeah, it gives me the tingles though, but at the same time, it's so relaxing. Especially this one ASMR, what's her name? Marie ASMR on Twitch. Like, I like mouth sounds, with, I don't know, it don't sound like that. I don't know. If you listen hard enough, you can actually think that person's actually sucking some dick though, because the sound, you know how like it sounds like she chewing on something. I don't know. Anyway, but yeah, I bought these AirPods just to help me sleep. when I listen to ASMR. That what drove me to buying these. And I play some music on these AirPods, and I must say I love the quality. Now I'm taking them out the capsule, but oh my god, and these things do feel cheap because it's plastic. But these things right here, I would never know that I would actually like these things. But if you look at focus, if you look at them, it got these little rubber little niblets on here, and that will help have a pressurized suction in your ear to make them not fall off. Because you know Apple give us these shits right here, the earpods, right? The earpods, and these shits, I mean, they nice, but they're not the best of quality. I mean, they decent. You know, they do the job of you listening to some podcasts or some music, or hell, shit, you can even call somebody and have these shits while you talking to them. You know, but I don't like it how it's like you gotta really. I know these AirPods sit in your ear like this, you know, but you know, let's say if you working out and your body is moving, these gonna like they gonna fall out. But you know, I've saw on the internet, I googled like what is the correct way to put these earpods in your ear, and you know what these told me, babies? They wrap the thing around and have the earpods upside down. You know, that's how you really. Oops, they will pop out like that. So yeah, it's just you gotta make them snug. You see how they upside down. You know, I can do the same thing to my earpods. You know, but like look, I think they will pop out if you jerk your head like with force long enough. They will pop out. But all you gotta do is just with that demonstration of how I just showed you the correct way of wearing earpods. You can do these with these AirPods. All you gotta do is just put them upside down and put the top part sit on the top of your ear. So like, I don't know, for some reason it's just like clicks in your ear once this long part is like is touching the top of your ear. You know what I'm saying? And then you just, you know, like you do this for the other ear. Bam. You know, because I think that is literally better than this. Because, you know, somebody could do that and, you know, like, can you hear me? Whatever. Uh-oh. That is one of the plastic nublets went inside out on me. But anyway, yeah, and oh man, okay, when you have the noise cancellation is awesome, because when you have these AirPods in your ear, it's like putting your fingers in your ear, and the noise cancellation works like in an instant. It's like I don't hear no static. Okay, I take them off, right? If I put in one, I can hear some static and some noise pollution, and then the static goes away. So the noise cancellation is very awesome. You know what? Let me tell you a story on that. With the noise cancellation, I thought it was backwards. I thought noise cancellation, every time I hear, or it's here, every time I hear noise cancellation from somebody, like, yeah, these headphones is awesome, noise cancellation, I thought noise cancellation was like when you put on headphones and stuff, and you encrypt or turn on noise cancellation or some shit, I don't know. I thought that the people won't hear my music. I thought it was actually noise cancellation for other people, but noise cancellation is really, I can't hear people that surrounds me. I can't hear no ambient noises. You know, the only thing I hear is my music, my podcast, or whatever that I'm listening to. That is noise cancellation. But yeah, I had it backwards. I don't do it anyway. Oh man, and babies, I can hear all sorts of bass. It sounds good, man. You get what you pay for when you get some AirPods. These are the AirPod Pro, and it makes me not be jealous of people that got Raycons, because the Raycons got the capsule, the charging capsule also. That's what I call it. It sounds better. The Raycons got the charging capsule also, but then again, I thought about it. I'm like, wait a minute, Ray J, he copied from Apple, because I think these came first. And anyway, yeah, you just put these in the capsule. The charging capsule, long ways first, you know, long ways first, and you like long ways right there, bam. And then to fully charge it, I just use damn, cord not long enough. I just use a charging cable from my phone, and and charge it up. Yeah, but I don't know, this charging capsule, it works if the door is closed, the little door. But if you open it up, you can see the status on your phone, or with the new update with iOS, there's a widget that you can monitor the battery, and I put that on my front screen on my phone. So it's awesome, very awesome. Anyway, I ain't gonna make this video longer than it already is. If you enjoyed my show and tell review on Apple AirPod, hit that like button. If you like the social media links, be down in the description box below. I'm not a part of Facebook because they banned me. I'm in Facebook jail for life. I'm guessing. Fuck Facebook. So I'm on IG and Instagram, and all my links for my podcast is in there. I'm going to do some changes with my podcast. I found a new name that I would like to call it. I'm not disclosing anything yet, but it's all down there. Hit that subscribe button. Also hit that bell notification. I'm going to put this on IGTV, and I want you to hit that heart. That's the like button, and also follow me on IGTV, or even just follow me on Instagram. I'm crazy as shit on that platform. I'm a comedian at heart, but I don't think I'm funny. Anyway, peace out. Peace. Whatever.